like fried noodles. I believe you have all tried Sambal chili fried noodles. It's really delicious, right?
Sambal chili can be easily purchased in supermarkets, and there are different brands to choose from. Today, I'm using the one that my family and I personally prefer. It's not an advertisement. This is the brand my family and I often repurchase. Friends who like curry chicken can also buy their curry sauce to make curry chicken or fried noodles. It's also very good. Friends who like nasi lemak, the taste of this sambal chili is comparable to the sambal chili used in nasi lemak. Ingredients: yellow noodle, sambal chili paste, carrot, tomato, lemongrass, vegan tofu, cucumber. Yellow noodles must be blanched by boiling in water to remove their alkaline taste. This step effectively improves the texture and flavor of the noodles, ensuring they better absorb the broth and achieve a smoother mouthfeel during subsequent cooking. Blanching time should be about 1 to 2 minutes, after which the noodles can be removed and set aside once they slightly float to the surface. Blanch the noodles and then rinse them with cold water. This will make the texture much better. It's a simple but effective step. Peel the carrot and shred it. Adding carrot to fried noodles not only makes the color more attractive, but also adds nutritional value. Peel the cucumber and cut it into strips or slices according to personal preference. It is mainly used for garnish and can also increase fiber intake. The refreshing cucumber can also help relieve spiciness. Lemongrass is mainly used to add aroma. It's okay to omit it if unavailable, as the sambal chili sauce is already seasoned. Remove the outermost layer of the lemongrass and bruise it to release its flavor. Wash the tomato and cut it into small pieces for later use. The sour taste of tomato pairs perfectly with sambal chili when stir-frying. Slice the vegetarian seafood tofu. You can also add fish cakes or fish balls according to your preference. All the ingredients are ready. Time to start frying the noodles. First, stir-fry the tomatoes, shredded carrots, and lemongrass until fragrant. Salt lemongrass, tomatoes, and shredded carrots until fragrant to build an aromatic foundation for the fried noodles. The natural flavors released from the ingredients in the hot oil will infuse into the noodles, adding depth to the final dish. Continue stir-frying for about 2 minutes until the carrots soften slightly, then add the sambal chili paste for optimal flavor integration. After adding the sambal chili, stir-fry until fragrant. Then add water and season according to personal taste. Finally, add the noodles and stir-fry together until the noodles absorb the sauce and the liquid reduces. Adjust the seasonings according to your personal taste. If the purchased sambal chili sauce is already very salty, do not add additional salt. Because for fried noodles, I still prefer a stronger flavor. It tastes better that way. Stir-fry yellow noodles for about 3 to 5 minutes over high heat. The best texture is achieved when the noodles are fully heated through but still firm to the bite. Avoid overcooking to prevent them from becoming mushy. Want a more appealing color? Add dark soy sauce. Arrange Arrange the stir-fried noodles on a plate, garnish with cucumber slices and a boiled egg, and then enjoy your meal.
Let's eat! Doesn't it look very appetizing? I can finish a big plate myself.
I used 2/3 of a packet of sambal chili sauce for this fried noodles dish, with 450 grams of noodles. You can adjust the amount of chili sauce according to your preferred level of spiciness. Personally, I think adding more chili sauce makes the fried noodles coated with a rich sauce taste even better. Actually, I believe cooking can be very flexible. Both ingredients and seasonings can be adjusted according to personal preferences. So, I suggest everyone relax and enjoy the process of cooking, and you'll have a joyful time in the kitchen. I like eating fried yellow noodles, but I don't like yellow noodles in soup. Are there any friends who are the same as me? Feel free to leave a comment to let me know I'm not the only one, haha. By the way, friends familiar with Mammoth-style fried noodles can also squeeze some lime to enhance the flavor. Yellow noodles are a type of Chinese wheat noodle made with alkaline water, typically containing potassium carbonate and sodium carbonate. The alkaline solution reacts with flavonoids in the flour, giving the noodles their characteristic yellow color and springy texture. This process also produces a distinct alkaline flavor and aroma, which can be moderated by blanching the noodles to dissolve some of the alkaline compounds. In addition to blanching, you can reduce the alkaline taste of yellow noodles by rinsing them thoroughly under cold running water after cooking. Another method is to briefly soak the cooked noodles in a mild acidic solution, such as water with a small amount of vinegar or lemon juice, which helps neutralize the alkaline compounds. Additionally, stir-frying the noodles with strongly flavored sauces or ingredients like sambal, tomatoes, or soy sauce can effectively mask any remaining alkaline flavor. Yellow noodles are primarily made from wheat flour, providing carbohydrates as a core source of energy along with a small amount of plant-based protein. However, the alkaline water Kansui added during production can degrade some B vitamins and reduce mineral absorption compared to regular noodles. Their overall nutritional value largely depends on accompanying ingredients. Combining them with eggs, vegetables, and meat can supplement dietary fiber, vitamins, and protein to create a balanced meal. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.